Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I came to our BaileParts warehouse. Please follow my steps and guess what product I will introduce to you today. Staff packing, the products to prevent damage during shipping. These are the engine parts that have been packaged in bale and are waiting to be shipped. Now, we will show you V2203 engine rebuild kit. Let's take a look at the individual components that the kit includes. The piston is made of high-quality materials to withstand the high pressure of the combustion process, ensuring smooth transmission of power to the crankshaft. This is the cylinder liner, made of high-quality material and wear-resistant coating technology, effective sealing and reduced wear. The full gasket set, each gasket and seal is made of high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting durability and no leaks.